Hello students, how is it going? Today we are going to learn articles. First, I want to give you the definition of it, then we will use them in examples. So, what are articles? An article is a word used before a noun that indicates whether or not the reference is to a specific entity or entities or an unspecific one. So, there are two types of articles. One is the definite article, and the other one is the indefinite article. What is the definite article? The definite article is the word the. It basically limits the meaning of a noun to one particular thing. Also, it can be used with singular, plural, or uncountable nouns. For example, the grumpy cat is so famous in the world. As you can see, I used the grumpy cat and the word to specify the nouns. The other article is the indefinite article. The indefinite article takes two forms which are a and an. Is the word a when it precedes a word that begins with a consonant. For example, a car. Is the word an when it precedes a word that begins with a vowel. For example, an orange. The indefinite article indicates that a noun refers to a general idea rather than a particular thing. Also, the indefinite article only appears with singular nouns. For example, I saw a dog yesterday. The dog was so scary. Like you see, we used a article before noun. But when we know the dog that we talk about, we use the dog to specify it. But you should be careful, because there are a few exceptions to the general rule of using a before words that start with consonants and an before words that begin with vowels. So what are these? The first letter of the word honor, for example, is a consonant, but it's unpronounced. As like the first one, the first letter of the word universe is a vowel, but we pronounce it with consonant. That's why we use a universe. So, that's all for today. After you watch the video, don't forget to complete your examples.